Hello, all. So I'm still in quarantine, and like a lot of you, I'm going stir crazy. So I've decided I'm going to highlight my hair. I've never bleached my hair before, so don't do what I do. I'm winging it. I watched a few YouTube videos, so of course that means I'm a pro now. Um, I wanted balayage actually, but I didn't have enough confidence in my abilities to actually try that without just losing my hair. So I decided I would go with highlights because I felt like it would be a little less severe if I mess it up, which is quite possible. I bought one of those highlight caps, so I'm gonna do it like that and hope that it turns out okay. Okay, so here's my hair pre bleaching. Um, I had it in little Bantu knot thingies on the side. So this is what it looks like. I'm sitting by the window. It's not sunny, but I'm sitting here so you can kind of see what my hair color is in natural light. So this is it. I'm going to apply some coconut oil just because people were saying that they were applying coconut oil. I guess it helps protect it. I'm not totally sure, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So I think we're good. Um, the cap says I'm supposed to comb or brush my hair back. So I'm going to get rid of the part. All right, let's get started. I have my caps here. The holes, I don't know if you can see them, but they're a lot smaller than I thought they'd be. I'll give you a better look when I pull it out. But here's my cap. I got L'Oreal 30 volume developer and Quick Blue. I know, Brad, I know. Um, so that's that. I have the number 3 Olaplex. I'm gonna use that and hope that it helps me not ruin my hair. Just shampoo to rinse it out when I'm done. Shower cap. My little brush. I usually use this for my henna applications, which, oh, yeah, I have henna in my hair, so let's hope that it doesn't turn green when I bleach it. This is just my little scooper. I have Wella T11. I didn't know what color to get. I got 2 boxes of T11. Um, I don't really have a reason why I chose T11. It just, the description sounded like what I was looking for, but I don't know that it will be. So we'll see together. And then I got this 20 volume something. Now I got this because it was Wella, and I thought maybe I should keep it in the same family when I mix them. This is for my toner. But I don't know this Willaxon Perfect thing. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to get. Somebody said I was supposed to get like Color Charm or something. I didn't get that. And then my gloves, I forgot. And so I had to just go through my stuff and see what I could find. And these were the only 2 I could find in my crap. So yeah, I think that is it. There's my whole little setup. Oh, my bowl. So I had a bowl for my henna, and I threw it away because it was starting to look gross. So I'm going to use this little plastic thing here. It's wet. I just rinsed it out to see how that goes. So I think that's it. If I remember anything else, I will add that. Okay, here's where we are. It was a pain in the ass, let me tell you. I don't know that I'll do this again, or maybe I'll have a friend come help me if I do. So I try to put things in little sections. And then there's the back that I didn't tie up yet, but this is what it's looking like. So I couldn't really see the back. I'm hoping that I got enough of it. Now, I wanted it to be a little bit more in the front, more concentrated in the front than in the back. I wanted the front to be a little lighter, so I tried to pull out more hair in the front than in the back, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I am going to start mixing and start the application. All right, let's get started. I am gonna start with the top only because I want it to be lighter than the back. I know everybody starts in the back, but I'm gonna try something different and hope that it's okay. I'm gonna start at the ends. I'm gonna use my fingers. Oh, what time is it? Oh shit. Okay, 4:40. So, because I wanted the balayage thing, I think I'm going to attempt to do a little bit back here too. We are 17 minutes in. Let's see if there's anything happening. Okay, I see something. Oh, that one, okay. Okay, we're gonna move up. Sorry about the noise outside. The windows are open. You know, I have to try to get the ventilation in here so I don't kill myself. Okay. So we'll let that sit. Oops. Uh-oh. Seeing some hair coming out. That's not good. I'm hoping that's just from when I was pulling it through the cap and I was struggling with it. I couldn't get it. Let's hope that's what it is. It has now been 30 minutes total. So I'm going to do one last pass and go up the rest of the way. We're gonna put this up and let it sit for another 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna clean my floor before it permanently damages it. Put my So here I am. As you can see, it's quite orange, and it doesn't look blonde. I thought it was going to be lighter than this. It's more of a orangey brownish color. So yeah, this is it. Yeah. So luckily, I didn't see like hair loss, so that's good. I think I may be all right, or at least for now. So I am going to tone it and hope that I can get more of a blondish color than this orange thing that's happening. Not that this is actually, I don't hate it. And I think blended with the rest of my hair, it might actually be okay, but it's still a little orange. So I'm gonna tone and I'll be back. Okay, back in the bathroom. I tried to stay out of the bathroom because I know the lighting is different and you wouldn't be able to see it. But I figure I will just put the toner on it and then I'll go back in the natural light once it dries and everything is done. So I'm gonna go through now with my toner. Okay. Okay, so I toned it. It kind of looks the same, but yeah. So this is it. I am going to let it dry. I know people have struggled with the taking off of the cap, so I figured I would do it on film to see how bad it is. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Oh, okay. Well, no. I thought it was, oh, wait a minute. At the end, I spoke too soon. Okay. Uh, a little piece here caught. Okay. Good enough. Not that bad. I thought it was going to be a nightmare. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to let it dry and come back and see how it is. I see that there's like some dark patches back here. I'm hoping that when it falls, it'll look better. But this is what we're looking like now. So I'll be back when it dries. Good morning. Okay, so it's fully dry, I think. Before I went to sleep last night, I put it in these little scrunchies. Not this hair because I ran out of scrunchies, so I figured since it's underneath, it won't really be seen. But I tied it up at the roots to keep them from being too puffy. And then I put it in little scrunchies, but not down to the curls because I didn't want to mess up the curls at the end. So let's see how it turned out. I, at some point, am going to straighten it, but not now just because it's already been through enough. So when I do, I'll come back and show you an update of how it looks when it's straight. Also, I wanted blonde, which this is not. I actually kind of like this color, but this is not what I was going for. So I'm going to do a few more highlights and well, I'm going to see how my hair does, how it holds up over the next couple of weeks. And if it starts falling out, then I'm going to just leave it like this. But if it seems like it's doing okay, then I am going to go back and do another round of highlights and create kind of a dimensional look where I'm going to leave some of my hair its natural color. I'm going to add some highlights to hair that didn't get highlighted to make it this color. And then I'm gonna add some highlights to hair that got highlighted to make them blonder. So it'll be like a bunch of different colors in my hair. That's my goal. So I'll do that in maybe a week or two and see if my hair is okay. And I kind of flattened out a little bit. So I'm probably gonna fluff it a little. But this is what it's looking like. This is the color. So that is it. I will come back in 2 weeks if I decide to go lighter. If she's not falling out, I'm gonna go lighter, and I will come back and show you the final result. The next time I do it, if I do it, I don't think I'm gonna use the cap again. It was really challenging for me to get those little things through. I think what I'm gonna do is just grab pieces of hair in its curly state and just do it like that. I don't know what those highlights are called, but I'm just gonna go through and just grab individual clumps of hair and just do it that way, probably. I think that might be a little easier than the cap. Until then.